Alright, so we came to Walmart before we left out. Well, I came to Walmart before I left out. See if I can see what kind of camping stuff they got. You know, I only been camping once, and that was 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago in 2019. And I had a ball, and they said that they didn't, so no. But I had a ball. Got a little toasty. But let me see what they got over here. And they got no bikes. Raggedy. I mentioned this Walmart. Oh, I mentioned Walmart in one of these vlogs. No, it was in an interview. Dude was like, name someplace that has great, you know, everything is in stock and all that. I was like, well, Walmart. I know Walmart, you know, didn't have nothing. You know, they typically don't have, you know, everything's always out of stock. But it was this Walmart I was talking about. And then ever since I said that, man, stuff just been out of stock. This was like 2 months ago. It's just crazy. Where's the camping stuff? Right here. Yeah, I think. God, dog, they ain't got nothing. I got a bed up here. What is going on? Ain't got nothing up in this joint. I got his beds. He's staying in the cabin. What is this? A hammock. It's a hammock right here.
Yep. Boy, let him shake it off. That's how they get tough.
Let's see. Damn. They don't have anything. Almost tripped and failed. Man, I know I ain't gotta go to no. I gotta go to Cabela's. Cabela's probably hide in a mug. What is going on? Baseball, basketball, they ain't got really nothing up in this joint. Ain't got nothing up in here. This is what happens when you live in Chicago. People don't go camping like that, I guess. They ain't had nothing for you, boy. No kind of camping gear. So we're going camping in Port Huron, Michigan. So we're gonna be in Port Huron. So I guess we should probably go up there. Cause ain't nothing in Chicago, ain't shit out here. That's black people don't camp, what they saying. Black people from Chicago. Crazy. I don't know what's wrong with you. Trying to get ready to go camping and you tripping. You hear me? Tripping. So we got all this stuff and it's still not even half of what we need. Sleeping bags, these two my bags. Towels, pillows, Y'all bags in the room, right? That right. Little ugly boy, little ugly girl. Just waiting on Toya to get here. You got something from UPS? Nope. Got dressed, got a shower. It's just my road check. Yeah. So you drunk that juice? Yes. Don't get mad at me. You the one opening juices and then half drink. How you half drink a Capri Sun? Hello? Huh? How you half drink a Capri Sun? Don't shut up here and try to open it. I had to drink that hot juice, huh?
8 hours later.
No, that was
All right, we were really interrupted, but this is our little small cabin right here. This is our bed. And then this is the boys' side, and I don't know why Layla hasn't got any sheets on her. I guess she think we gonna do all of that.
I don't know what the sheets are.
Whatever. There's my boys. Why y'all just tableting, man? Y'all gonna have to come out, man. I can't just be tableting.
Which one you want, the thick one? This is a thicker one. And that's the thing that we're on top of you.
And that's pretty much the thing.
It's not no fitted juice.
Now we got the little small refrigerator. Got the little microwave right here. The dog cage right there. And we just ordered some pizza.
Okay.
Hello?
She lost.
Hello? Yeah.
She lost out here.
June, we got lost too. I swear we got lost. We all in the back cabin too. We all in the back.
We ain't in the back.
We right across from the bathroom. We right across from the bathroom.
Right. So I'm gonna show y'all some more tomorrow.
The next day.
So, the next day, Saturday, we in Walmart, me and my wife. Look at this Range Rover. This is the one I bought BJ, $5 freaking bucks.
That's the rubber tires?
Yeah, then the doors open and stuff. I mean, he still got it. This ain't no Gotti though. It's a McLaren 720. Oh, look at this Bentley. Get this for myself. Yeah, that's tight.
What's this one?
McLaren.
That's tight. $2 over here, huh?
Right. Special packaging and all of that. Yep. Gonna go head over to this camping. See if we can get some real camping stuff so they ain't have nothing by us. Nothing but air beds. Yeah, nothing but air beds. At least they got a little bit of bikes. I'm talking about, it look like somebody just came and straight robbed us. They ain't really got bikes either. Put it in Dreamer car. She gave us that raggedy, not raggedy, but just that car doesn't fit our lifestyle at all. Or that truck, I don't know, it wasn't even a truck, was it? It was I don't know what it was. That car did not fit our lifestyle. So, I don't know. Oh, the camping stuff should be right here. Right down here. I thought it was, I don't know why I'm thinking I'm at my Walmart. Let's see what they got. They don't have, they got some stuff. I don't see anything. Some big knives. Big knives. I don't see nothing. I think we probably gotta go to Dick's or something. I don't got nothing here. Did you see anything, Toy? I don't see too much of nothing. Ooh wee, $130. Too much to see anything. Done. What's this down here? This is like swimming. Oh, I do need a flashlight. So let's see. Flashlight for the nighttime. So we got. I figure this is good, right? This should be good. Or should I get a lantern? Should get this lantern. I'm gonna get this lantern. It's only $39. 39 feet. I don't know which one to get. Okay, well, I get it. Get the multi-pack with this one. So I get this one. It's a 5-piece. Here's the swimsuits. Toya, they got the swimsuits over here. For Layla.
Something bought her right. Then I was like, then I was like, she was young, and I'm like, she too damn young. I'm like, she can't
Come
be
on.
playing these motherfucking games, right? Right. So then I remember giving her the speech.
Oh, we put it on what?
She knows it's the same story I told her. I said, look, I gave her the speech. I said, look, your ass young. I said, I'm digging you. I'm like you like that. I said, but I'm just a little concerned about our age difference. I'm like, I don't want your
We out here camping. We out here camping.
You putting this on the YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, even sit down right here. I just told you. You know what?
Come on, first. You fine. You find Wildcat. You find
We ain't
Wildcat.
finna play no game.
Supposed to be a
I ain't
pamphlet.
play no
Right.
game. I said because if you feel like you can
That's
fly
not a
this,
wildcat.
like, you don't feel like you ain't
It's a
lived
dead cat.
enough.
Keep it moving and just leave it?
Yeah,
I settled down. Go ahead. Set my way.
I don't get my nails done, but
That's fine.
I can't think. I'll get them done tomorrow.
Hey, you know what?
Yeah, girl,
I mean, not tomorrow. I'll get them done Tuesday. Oh, shit. Oh, that fire going.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Just all you gotta do is flip them hot dogs, person. That's all you gotta do. Flip them hot dogs.
We got some more hot
Yeah,
dogs. So we got a
so-
bunch of hot dogs and we got hamburgers.
It's pretty much probably gonna be the end of this vlog today. Love y'all, appreciate y'all. All 91 of my followers.
There you go.
Peace out.